Hi guys, today we'll be making the PIR bed lamp. It works using a PIR sensor to sense movement in a room, then it turns on a light. The sensor is usually used by security companies for your home, but you can get them from Radio Shack or any store that sells electrical components. Components needed: 4 1N4007 diodes to make the rectifier or a rectifier IC will do. One 240 volt or 220 volt to 15 volt step down transformer or a 120 volt to 15 volt step down transformer depending on where you are. One LM317 voltage regulator, one 555 timer, one IRF520 power MOSFET, one 0.1 microfarad ceramic capacitor, one 1 microfarad electrolytic capacitor, one 470 microfarad electrolytic capacitor, one 100 microfarad electrolytic capacitor, one 0.01 microfarad ceramic capacitor, one LED light strip, one 1 kilo ohm resistor, one 82 kilo ohm resistor, one 15 kilo ohm resistor, and one 235 kilo ohm resistor. All these components can be bought at any store that sells electric components. On the left we have a transformer which steps down the 240 volt AC signal to 15 volts AC. Next is the full wave rectifier which full wave rectifies the AC signal. Then the smoothing capacitor C1 smooths the full wave signal, and next is the voltage regulator which takes in the smooth 15 volt peak signal and it produces a steady 12 volt signal to power the 555 timer and the LED strip. The 555 timer is configured in the monostable mode with a delay time or on time of 2.5 minutes. This means that when the PIR sensor detects movement, it will trigger the 555 timer which will turn the LED strip on for 2.5 minutes. The IRF520 N-channel power MOSFET is used to power the LED strip because the 555 timer does not output enough power to be able to turn the LED strip. The reason I chose the IRF520 power MOSFET was because it was what I had around, but any transistor will do if configured right. Here, this is the complete circuit soldered onto a Vero board. This is the power cable that takes in the rectified voltage from the wall socket, already stepped down to 15 volts and full wave rectified. It then goes into the LM317 to be regulated to a constant 12 volts. Then it goes all the way to this side to power the 555 timer and the IRF520, which then goes on to power on the LED strip.